Kids Coding Bootcamp is here again. This holiday, give your child more than screen time. Give them a chance to create with technology. At this Kids Coding Bootcamp, brought to you by Digital Dreams ICT Academy, children would build robots, create websites, design animations, explore AI, and work on exciting hands-on projects. Your child doesn't need any computer experience to get started. We make tech simple, fun, and practical for every child. Imagine your child confidently saying,
"I built this myself."
Choose the 2 months juniors track starting July 1st or the 1 month Marvel track starting August 1st. To ensure every child receives attention, enrollment is limited. Call or WhatsApp the number on your screen to secure your child's spot now. Don't just keep your child busy, invest in their future.